Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to convert Word to PDF in laptop on Windows 11. So guys, you just need your browser for this, and in your search bar go ahead and type in Word to PDF. And guys, we won't use any actual software or apps on your Windows for this. It's not really required. You always have these kind of websites that convert everything for you. If one goes down, you have another as a backup pretty much. So go ahead and open this first link. So this is a I Love PDF website. Okay, and on the website, as you can see, there's this big button that you can press to choose, locate and choose the doc and docx files from your PC. So let me do that. All right, so as you can see, I have chosen my file, and now press on Convert to PDF. All right, it's gonna take a little time to process. And now, as you can see, Word file has been converted to PDF. Just now download it to your computer. Okay, now this is the file. I can open it up. As you can see, if we check the extension, it's .pdf. So enjoy guys, pretty simple. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe. And if the video was helpful, make sure to press thumbs up. See you soon.